Captain VK Singh of VSR Aviation spoke to my colleague Shreya Chatterjee. Listen in.
What do you have to say about it?
The aircraft was absolutely fit to the best of our knowledge. The DGCA is investigating the matter. We are there with the DGCA team and they will tell us. Primarily, it appears that there was low visibility.
Sir, but the aircraft took 2 loops before it lost
That is the reason. Because you know, उसमें ना तो आप थे ना मैं था कोई नहीं था वो पायलट का डिसीजन था. You know, he made an approach from runway 29 and then he carried out a missed approach, after which again he tried to make an attempt from runway 11. This is what I also have no contact with the pilots. They are not there. It is a very unfortunate incident. We are very sad about it. We are trying to first be with the family, solidly with the family who have lost their best next of kins. It's a very unfortunate incident. Primarily, it appears that, you know, the pilot could not see the runway and that's why he would have carried out
But
a
he has
missed approach.
already taken 2 loops. How is it possible that he could not see
You know, the pilot will carry out a missed approach in case if he is not comfortable to land on the runway. Very experienced pilot, more than 16,000 hours of experience. Very seasoned. The co-pilot was also 15,000 hours. 1,500 hours. And the captain was very experienced, instructor examiner material. He was with Sahara, he was with Jetlight, he was with Jet Airways, and he was very experienced on this type of aeroplane also.
So but the distance was almost more than 6 kilometers from the runway. Do you think it's possible that he could not have seen it, or there could have been any technical scan?
I really don't know because I was not there.
Because we are talking about the flight data record.
I'm only talking of the information that I have got from the eyewitnesses.
When was the last security check done on the aircraft?
The aircraft was very well maintained. There was absolutely no problem in the aircraft. There was no technical failure in the aircraft.
And
as far as we know.
2023 के इंसिडेंट की रेफरेंस दी जा रही है कि 2023 में भी ऐसी हादसा हुई थी. उसमें भी आप लोगों ने शायद लो विजिबिलिटी की बात उठाई थी. अगर आप
उसमें मैम 2023 में जो हुआ था वो बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ था और उसमें भी बारिश हो रही थी, लो विजिबिलिटी थी एंड द पायलट आफ्टर टचडाउन स्किडेड ऑफ द रनवे. So that was the incident.
अभी फिलहाल सर जो आप लोगों से डिटेल्स मांगी जा रही हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग क्या अपडेट है पूरा?
मैं कुछ मैम देखिए AIB की इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं ना आपको दे सकता हूँ ना मुझे कुछ मालूम है. You know, the DGC is doing the work. So please give us some time to handle first the families who have lost their lives, handle the DGCA, and then we'll get back.
Sir, how many Learjet 45s do you have?
We have 7.
And will you ground them for now?
I don't know. Why should I ground them? They're all fit aircraft. Why should I ground them?
Okay.
That's not my decision.
Okay.
The Learjet worldwide is a very, very dependable aircraft. So why should we ground them? And please excuse me. More than this, I've listened to you.
For the family members who from where were
my deepest condolences. So Captain Sumit Kapoor was a very good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine. He was a brother to me. His son is also a pilot with us. Captain Shambhavi was a daughter to me. She was a child to me. And both of them were extremely good human beings, extremely good pilots.
So where
unfortunate. They're from Delhi. They're from Delhi. It is very unfortunate this has happened. Please give us time to come out of this, irreparable shock.
Agreed, sir. Sir, एक last बात. एक पायलट
आप लोग जो पूछ रहे हैं वो इस समय मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
नहीं सर, 2023 में जो हुआ था
इस समय आज 2023 की बात करने का समय है.
इस बार फ्लाइट एकदम परफेक्ट था,
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट था. और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ. टेक्निकली द DGCA investigates. The DGCA can only speak. I cannot speak.
Certainly, sir.
I'm not the investigating authority.
एक बार बता दीजिए कि कितने फ्लाइट आज
कितने बजे हुआ, कितने बजे
एक्सपीरियंस?
मैम अंदाजन 8 और 8:30 और 9:15 के बीच में हुआ है.
आपके पास कॉल आया थोड़ा?
मेरे पास जब कॉल आया जब कि एयरक्राफ्ट हैज क्रैश लैंडेड, उसके बाद देयर वाज नो वन टू हुम आई कुड कांटेक्ट. ATC से बात नहीं हो पा रही बिकॉज दे आर हैंडलिंग द क्राइसिस देयर. ओके.
नहीं सर, मैं ये कह रही थी कि जो एक्सपीरियंस है आपके फ्लाइट
पायलट्स का एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करिए सर.
कितना है वो एक बार?
16,000 घंटे से ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था कैप्टन सुमित कपूर का.
And what was his age, sir?
He was 61 or 62.
Sir, when was the last time that this aircraft underwent airworthiness?
It goes on periodically.
What was the last
It was a fit aircraft.
What was the last time?
I don't remember the dates, but it was a fit aircraft.
All right, so VK Singh, the owner of the fleet of chartered aircrafts, the Learjet, one of which crashed today, which had the Deputy Chief Minister on board, sticking up for his crew, sticking up for his aircraft, said that prima facie he's going to go with what the pilot said, which was low visibility.